Hello, this is an introduction video to you just got your kit, and I'm going to walk you through your first steps of what you're going to do. So first thing, you're going to open all your oils and everything that you got and smell it, feel it. So got my lemon oil, put a drop in my hands, rub it in. Breathe it in. Smells so good and so pure. Okay, so next we're gonna open up peppermint oil and get wide awake. Feel it going through your airways. And smell it. Put it on your neck. Get cool from it. Open up all your oils. Don't be afraid. Just get in there. Dive in there. I'm going to introduce really quick because some people want to get veggie caps to take the oils internally. You're going to find lots of extra health benefits when you take them internally. I do it every day internally for the stress and back pain that I have. And so this is just an empty veggie cap. Open it up. You put your drops of oils in there. It fits, I think, around 12 drops. And then you close it back up and then you take it. You're only going to want to make it and then take it. Don't let it sit or the oils will eat this up. And then your oils are everywhere. Fractionated coconut oil. Not everybody got this in their kit, but some kits come with it. I highly recommend having this on hand. And if you don't have this, you can just use a regular coconut oil and that you probably have in your kitchen, or even olive oil, grapeseed oil, sesame oil. Pretty much any type of oil is going to be a good base and a good carrier. That we already talked about how you are diluting your oils with it so that it's going to penetrate to your skin better and not evaporate. And also for people with any skin sensitivities like young children or the elderly also. So I'm just going to demonstrate really quick. I have some tension in my neck and my back. So Deep Blue is the soothing blend. Just one drop of Deep Blue. I did a few drops of fractionated coconut oil. And now I'm going to rub it on my neck. And this is going to be a lot easier to rub it all around and to make sure that I can actually massage it in and get a good feeling from that too. Rather than just having one drop of Deep Blue and trying to spread it around. It's really not going to work very good. And this is going to penetrate the skin better. So, all right. So that's what I want you to do with your kit is open it all up and get into it and start using it. Some people got these beadlets in their kits. This is On Guard beadlets. I am going to swallow the beadlet. It's really tiny. Actually, my kids swallow them, and I like to burst them in my mouth. Just kind of pop it. And then you can swallow the little gelatin that it had, or you can even throw that away if you'd like. I like the taste of it in my mouth. The peppermint's really good too, but I like this option because my kids can swallow it without tasting it, and they're really small and they can do that, even my 4-year-old. So get in there. You've made a great choice about getting these essential oils into your life. And so the next step is, this is the book that you got in your kit. It's called the doTERRA Essentials. It's basically a magazine, and it has everything about the oils, how there's the testing, the quality, the quantity of the oils in each bottle, the usage guides, You can see here, it's just all about basil on this page. It just has everything about every oil or every supplement that we have and its benefits. So I'll read a few from ginger. It supports healthy digestion, helps reduce occasional nausea, and reduces bloating, gas, and occasional indigestion. It also gives you different uses and how you could diffuse ginger to help create a sense of equilibrium. And you can use it topically and aromatically, internally. So use this book that came with your kit. And what else is there in there? Pretty much everything. Our vitamins, which are amazing. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna go over is the Live Guide. If you haven't gotten this from me yet, you will be getting it soon. And basically, this is gonna walk you through making sure you're living the healthiest lifestyle that you can. And if you're not, it's going to help you and give you tips and recipes to assist you in living a healthier lifestyle. So you're just going to find lots of tips and lots of recipes. It talks about a lot of different products and just goes over the whole lifestyle pyramid of eating right and exercising, resting and managing stress, and reducing your toxic load, and informed self-care. I love the emotional balance wheel. It helps you and shows you how to use your oils when you have an emotion and to help support yourself to get through that at the time. So it's hard to see right here, but if I were to feel worried right here, it shows me that it's in the floral section. So any type of oil that is a floral is going to help. And it also shows me the emotional oils. So there's peace and there's console. So I can use peace, or I can use console, or I can choose another floral at like lavender, geranium, ylang-ylang, rose, or jasmine. So this is really helpful when you're dealing with emotions. Goes through, it talks about a cleanse and how to reduce toxic load in your life and all the toxins that have built up in your body. Cleaning recipes. Say hello, Peyton. And bedtime, diffuser recipes. So this is really helpful. Go through it. And this is your homework that you get to do to help prepare yourself for a 90-day wellness plan. And you get to create your own. If you want any help, I'm always here to help you. I offer this as a free I do wellness consults with people and I help them, but I understand sometimes some things are private and you want to keep it private, or you just feel more comfortable with that, or you really are ready to take control of your health and your wellness, and you've got this, so you don't need me. You have this, and this is going to walk you through. So you're going to write down your top health priorities. You're going to write down the products that you do have, and then you're also going to add right here additional products that can support you. And you can find those in this. There's a quick guide right here. You can look through symptoms, or if you got the book from me, the Essential Life book, you can use this book, look up your ailments, and write extra products that you're gonna need. Right here, you can create a plan for yourself, morning, afternoon, and nighttime, of what oils and supplements you're going to take to help support what you need in your body right now. And right here is a spot you can write down other wellness choices that could support your goals. Just like increasing your water, increasing your sleep, increasing exercise, whatever it may be. And at the bottom is where you're gonna create this is 90 days of your wellness plan. So you're gonna need those products and to fill your loyalty rewards order every month. So have it prepared and write down the products that you're gonna need each month, and so that you're ordering intentionally and that you don't just order things just randomly. And you're ordering things that you need right now to help you in your wellness journey. So the next page goes over the loyalty rewards program, how much you save and earn points, and then there's lots of safety tips. You'd want to avoid your eyes and your inside of your nose and your inside of your ears. We can rub our oils right here, but we don't want to put them inside of our ears, and definitely not inside of our eyes. If you ever have an oil come in contact with your eyes, you're going to want to take a base oil like I talked about, coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, grapeseed, all that. Any of that, take it and literally just, you can squirt it in your eye if you have the bottle that does that, or just pat oil in your eye. It's going to dilute the oil. Water is not what you do not want to use water. It's going to disperse the oil even more throughout your eye and make your eyes burn even more. So just got to add that because it does happen. So, and it only lasts a minute. All right, so on the back of the Live Guide is where you're going to find where I wrote your member number and your password. You're going to log in at doTERRA.com. And then I also wrote my number and my email and my mentor Janelle's email and her phone number. And you can always reach out to either one of us. So that's the Live Guide. And so this is the Essential Life book that I hope that you did get. So I did go through it already, and
I'm gonna make my
so it has a beautiful table of contents in the front. So this is not a read from front to back book. It's a reference book. So whatever you want to learn right now about the oils, dig into the book and go there. The quick reference guide, you're going to look up an ailment here, like back pain, and then it shows you how to use this book, steps 1 through 5, and it also gives you what the little emblems in here stand for right up here. And then you're gonna go down here and you're gonna look and find your first one. And if you have that oil, great, use it. If you don't, move on to the next one, and keep going. And also, if you use one and it helps a little bit, but you're like, I want to find one that works better, then use another one down the line too. Then there's body systems, so you can go to that body system and learn more about it. And it talks about that body system. It gives you a basic understanding of how that body system works. And then it also gives you oils, blends, supplements that are best for that, and then lots of other recipes. So dig into this book. There's the reflexology chart. There's the natural recipe living section. So all your natural cleaners and garden, anything you can think of, it's going to be in that book. That's where I found most of my knowledge about the oils. So on the next video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account so that you can get your oils ordered straight to your house. All right, so I'm glad you watched me blabber on for the last 14 minutes. All right, see you on my next video.